Bharat Mehra Pranam. Now, guys, I don't know why I'm here today actually. I'm here to speak about astrology, I'm here to speak about Corona, I'm here to speak about what is happening, what we are supposed to do, what we are not supposed to do. It's a mixed bag of so many things inside me. I really don't know. I've been reading all this, been going through so many messages, people are confused. I really don't know how to put this to you all, but let me tell you all one thing for sure. That we, each individual, each and every person, small, big, old, male, female, children, whatever, whoever, we are going to all be responsible for ourselves, for our good health, for our safety. I remember years back, I'm 50 today, years back there was this leprosy. तो मुझे किसी ने बोला कि अरे उनको कोड हो गया है and you are not supposed to touch that person or go close to that person. So today I'm getting that same feeling. Where are all the leprosy hospitals? Isolation, some very inside interiors. So same way, we have to now live with what is happening. It will get all right, it will take its own time. I'm not understanding this vaccine, I'm not understanding this medicines, I'm not understanding anything. I'm confused. And so are hundreds and thousands of people, all confused. We don't know what is happening, why it is happening. Till yesterday it was a virus. Today it's bacteria. Somebody calls me up and tells me it's bio-war, whatever it is. We take our precautions. Planetary, not planetary. I made my predictions. I made my predictions for the 1st of May and I said that we will start getting into a normal. Here I am in front of you to tell you, let's understand one thing, that we have to now live with it. We have to wear our gloves, our masks, sanitization, social distancing. कि भाई अगर किसी को है, if somebody has it, at least he will not give it to us. We have to try our level best. We don't know how it is coming. We don't know what's happening. But it is happening. Keep your immune system good. You can't go out jogging. Okay, don't go. Walk in the house. Move around. Check your vitamin levels. Have vitamin C. So now we have come into that phase where nature or the Lord or God or Allah or Bhagwan wants that we should start loving ourselves. Start taking care of ourselves. You know, it's like this. Love yourself. That's what we're supposed to do now. So, rather than getting into all this, when it's going to get okay, when this is going to start, when that is going to stop, it's happening, fine. Let the governments do what they are doing. We have a good government. Our Prime Minister is doing well. We are a population of 130 crore people. Every country is trying to safeguard their whatever best they can do. So let us not get into all this, let them do their job. And all of us all over the world, just get into this mode now of loving yourself. So guys, start loving yourself, start taking care of yourself, your immune system, your health, and be positive. And one day we will sail through this also. So God bless all of you all. I love you and I'm always there.